Okay, if you're looking to get a bidet, this one here from Tushy, just real easy setup here. Right here on the side is the knob that you can choose which you want to do. Let me show you the water hookup here. Real nice and easy, as you can see. Now, let's show you here. The knob on the side actually adjusts for the front or the, like you see right there, or the rear. And right here is where it would actually come out and do what it's supposed to do. Now, another really cool thing about this is the soft close lid here. The seat just goes down real nice and easy. So no slamming if you have kids or anything that are going to use it. And the top one, yes, it is a soft close as well. And the nice part here is you can actually hook up that water and the knob onto the left side if you don't want it on the right. So if you're looking for an easy to install bidet, check this one here out from Tushy.